With our command feature, you become the boss. Take a seat in the boss chair and give your Magic Pen commands or a sequence of commands directly in the text document, which will then execute them for you. To do this, we first create an empty document. We click on New Document and leave our briefing empty. By clicking on Create, we get to our blank document. To illustrate the command function, I will now insert an example of a command and a sequence of commands. As you can see, you can directly tell the Magic Pen what to write for you. There are no limits to your creativity. You should imagine this as a briefing that you can define completely freely and detached from a fixed structure. In order for the Magic Pen to execute the command, I mark it and click on Command. And as you can see, the Magic Pen starts executing it within a few seconds. You can also use this feature to create a sequence of commands. Here you combine different commands one after the other to be able to adapt the content of your text exactly to your ideas. You can then mark them all together and have them executed within a few seconds. Try it now and let the Magic Pen do the work for you.